uba sambor lang ding do ban ya aireng haka election ar pulai jong ka Megalia Assembly Legislative na ka pentor kra constituency haka ar tarik mentau benai ar poi haslong press club. Habayakram sigila pathai khubor ulaya thu panakaliang jungu hadu menta patla bannya thu na kanu ka parti unyeng henrei lada imon ya kanu ka parti ula banyeng kumu kertong shimet.
Daga babura mi pisia ki media persons ki aidan ni kenti te ngakwa ban su penithu yang dia sa isin ka kerteng junga ka di ba sambor lang ding do ngadi try ru jong tu ka sam khamti bar tu creating ni na service station te ka phang bang khot pisia ki media persons ka ni kenti kelong bangaru ngande we niki candidate we ni kertong wan yakun na ka 14 untuk khra constituency di ka SD kota te nakaliang jonga hi nakwa pan panchai hi pisia ni hi ba ngami siya ni system kani ka senjam ru nakwa pan ai good governance ki public jongi te kumapitep hi ngiting along very well established business te ngindong siya ka politics su ndai bengin make fortune from politics ngindong siya ka politics su bengin ai good governance ki constituency jong thorong pra constituency but iki nom song jong jela por kawai matrai kini ki Arsenal meladap matrai PE effort jonga kam jonga te ngala train nadu macam senam hi masan effect ke lockdown matrai ngadi bri bani kong do ban nirap ki distribution of essential commodities to so many localities te ka credentials jong katar madani ngayo certification ng government biki appreciate te hatu ka lockdown masan effect ibnai match ngala start ki essential commodities distribution sebabun ki longyeng bedok te da pikin mau ti por baki lift ya lockdown baki alat ki taxi drivers ki kali kamai berkhoi bikin ya kamai pini ka we ga problem baki face ni ki nongnya kali kalong ba ki miyo ban ya bam kulut mesi maki dukan ja te hatu ka kentiru ada birap i driver taxi tak ba ai ki kita fen bikin yo ban ya song ni te pizang ban iba kam jonga ka dei hani ka por baka ki dot petrol kemau em te ngatrai history jong kajelahi I think was the first pelpom owner ban khangi ka pom bandan lang ka kya kashan bat kipat ba panirap ki driver taxi bikin bill out nak tu ka strike bikin dan mar ko bangin stoi manakani klakta shahi te hot da ka babura mi ki we ki honorable politicians ki badan pelpom te ngam mi kiru bikin mi lang ko mi bingi bikin yarap kipat ba te kataru ko digaway wapan snowy nga ba when it comes to the real hardships faced by the people maybe kalau dan kam kumingi ban mi skhmat te hatu ka por beki dan jinjar ki nongrap ru ngi laksang keleng sodong ki jakarap bat ki media colleagues jong fi te ngimdai ki basu express ka grievances tang da ka tien ngimdai ki bahe tang lip service ndre ngapli ki katuka la bikin yo bande itu ka farmers wholesale market katu ka di ka policy maker bang ka policy bang lasna ni mentaki nongrap khnang ba in future ada kadan yang katu ka jok ka crisis bakadan ka lockdown bakti ki yo ki min kum katu ka badan supo Anjali kumayo dilang kitu ki sak hangnot kani kandai ka nang ni sakmat di government kala ban snai ki farm temporary makeshift farmers wholesale market te sakawai ru barkhanya 50 tepi bang ada sports lover ada footballer hila dia mensuaru te associate bat bon ki football club te affiliate nga very instrumental ban dan dekat lang ba currently football club it's a good question kali mun pan contest as independent legislator because empat commit iru bak no political party empat sim approach iru no political party ya kanuno political party namar ngakwa bandan so kanong dem ki baskem ni dia te lada ki dan ki political party ki ba kwa ban approach bakwa ban you most welcome to that ni tambah it has to comply with my policies predicate marga ngandam ki jongki nongrem kumbang lapan imene kan te if need be lada kalau yang abang ni kun independent long ready sahi te my election manifesto kan sami obana November ki election campaign planners juga kila they working on that on the month of November kasami ki election manifesto juga kan. And but all those four phases, how will I address the public rally, the election campaigning, and my election campaign will be digital campaigning. Jing tu juga bangun pen itu so that I can reach the masses at an early stage. Kadang ka kadang ke believe by you start early you finish early kan dia bingin hapan ni up saya lah dir kapor and plus long as how the right time hi kam dia show baka kloy kidan hardly stang shisnam saubna in mata election so I feel it's the right time bingin mix khamat kan
Sebuah ladadan ke political party approach api
ta kan kembang la brief mentat ngampat kemet hiru do mentah bak nuna political party ngampat approach kimpat dan hiru nuna political party one approach nga takadaw nga la bank pilot di ba if need be la ngamot yakon as independent legislative candidate do ngan yakon based on my principles kan kadal pa ni ginong rem gibang ada biang te ada kiwan te most welcome tingin isyong ada nga stu ka ba we working on the same page te ngina ni trilang kumatar ko dan